Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to click photo on portrait mode on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on camera. Then from here you have to click on the portrait. Okay, after that what you have to do here is try to click photo. Here I have tried to click photo and click with the photos also. Here I'm going to try to click with the photos. So what is the difference between here is that when you click on portrait mode, the background will be blurred and the object will be clear. You will find it. Okay, you try to click photo on the wall, but you will be clear and the back side you will be blurred. Okay, you can find it. So you just try now. If you don't believe it, okay, and if it's true or if it's correct, then you can like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.